friends, thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and let me tell you about a brand new collaboration that is starting. Today I am drinking my Edinburgh Highland Blend tea. And I think it fits perfectly with this collaboration I want to share with you. Today I'm excited to finally share something that we've been quietly working behind the scenes with quite some time now. A very special year-long collaboration between myself and Stacy over at Crafty Dragon Creations. This collaboration will gently unfold across the entire year, inviting you to create projects one season at a time. And we're calling it the Creative Turning. For the collaboration, we're drawing inspiration from the Wheel of the Year, not in a religious kind of way, but think of it more as a seasonal rhythm, creative turning of the wheel of time. Sort of like the changing of seasons, nature's natural pauses and celebrations, and cozy moments that help us mark time throughout the year. There are 8 key seasonal dates where there will be coordinating folio kits released by either myself or Stacy at Crafty Dragon Creations. Each kit will be the same size, and you can use it as a standalone folio or combine them at the end of the year to make one complete keepsake. By December, if you've done all 8 individual seasonal folios, you'll have created a layered year-long creative record for your whole entire year. Let me show you a little bit about the folios. This is the first folio for Embolic, which is celebrated on February 1st through the 2nd. And this kit was created by Stacy over at Crafty Dragon Creations and is for sale in her Etsy shop. I will have that link down in the description box. Each of the folios will have a base cover, a backing page, and then they will be designed where they will have pieces where you can build the folio. This one has various pockets. And each of the folios will contain a journaling card that tells you a little bit about that date for the Wheel of the Year. And they may contain little goodies like this recipe here that shows you different things that are commonly used to celebrate those dates. And yes, there's more. For each of the seasonal dates, both myself and Stacy will be offering freebies inside our Facebook groups. Again, I will have those links down in the description box. Be sure to join both groups as the freebies that we do will be different. But they are designed to coordinate with the folio kits, give you a little extra creative play, and help you participate in our year-long Wheel of the Year game. To participate in the Wheel of the Year game, you do not need to purchase the kit. You can just play along with the freebies and use your own stash. We wanted to make this fun, low-pressured, and something you could enjoy in your own space and time. So here's how the game will work. With each of the seasonal releases and freebies, you'll receive a game piece as part of the freebie. It will come from either myself or Stacy. Whoever created the kit for that date will have the piece. You'll decorate that piece in your own style, journaling, stitching, stamping, inking, anything goes. There's no right or wrong way to play with paper. And then once you've decorated it, you'll place it on your game board to slowly build out your wheel throughout the year. There's no rush, no deadlines during the year, just a steady creative play. If you wanted to, you technically could wait until you have collected all 8 pieces and sit down and create your game board all at one time. The only one rule for the game is when the wheel is completed, you will submit it by December 31st, 2026 in one of our Facebook groups. This will give you one entry to win the grand prize at the end of the year. And we wanted to do a prize that reflected the wheel of the year. So we came up with an idea of a build your own bundle prize. The winner will get to build a bundle picking 4 kits from Crafty Dragon Creations and 4 kits from Lottie's Magic Attic to give you a complete bundle of 8 different kits. Both Stacy and I thought this reflected the magic of the Wheel of the Year. The game boards will be available in both of our Facebook groups, so be sure to grab that when you download the freebies. And again, the freebies will be up in our Facebook groups on the date of that particular Wheel of the Year celebration. So the Embolic freebies will go up February 1st. Along with those freebies, both Stacy and I will be doing videos here on our YouTube channels that will show you how we're putting the folios together. That way you can see 2 different takes on the same project. I love this collaboration. I think it honors the passage of time without pressure, encourages seasonal creativity, and gives us something to return to again and again throughout the year. And at the end of the year, you'll have a finished piece that tells your story. It's reflective play. I feel like it's deeply creative without needing to follow any specific belief system. Take what resonates with you, leave the rest behind. I love working with Stacy at Crafty Dragon Creations. Our styles complement each other beautifully, and together we've created something that I think feels cohesive, intentional, and in my biased opinion, very special. Let's take a look at the freebies briefly. Again, whoever created the kit for that particular date will have the piece for your Wheel of the Year game. And then you will have different images that you can use in combination with the folios or all on their own. So if you love seasonal journaling, folios, slow crafting, and year-long creative projects, make sure to join both of our Facebook groups because again, the freebies in each group will be completely different. Subscribe to both of our YouTube channels. That really does help us a lot to be able to create these kinds of events for you. And favorite both of our Etsy shops. Watch for each of the seasonal releases as we will be taking turns doing this. They may not be alternating dates, so pay attention in our Facebook groups as to who has the release for that particular date and start saving a little space on your craft table for something that I think is going to be truly magical. So I want to thank you again for spending a little time with me here today in the attic and for being part of this amazing community. Again, I can't thank you enough and tell you how much it means to me to get all of y'all's kind comments both here on my YouTube channel and in my Facebook group, and I am sure Stacy feels the same. Together, I think we are building a strong, like-minded, crafty community where we can all share our love of paper crafting. So until our next adventure in the attic, I wish y'all all a year full of magical blessings. And until next time, y'all take care.